What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this hard tri-fold tonneau cover on this 2015 Chevy Silverado. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. Before we install this on the vehicle, I'm just going to latch this so it doesn't unfold while we're trying to put it on the vehicle. You can latch it right there and also right here. These latches are going to go towards the back window with this part of the tonneau cover down on the bed. I'm just going to grab an assistant. It is awkward. It's not that heavy, but and just lay it like that. So the way these get secured to the bed, there's these hooks right here, and they are adjustable. You can hook them in the middle there. You can go further out and then also further in. For this vehicle, we're going to use the middle hook right there on both sides. Loosen this up. I'll just leave that loose. Get this one started as well. Now we're going to unfold the tonneau cover. Take these clips off. And do the same under here. So we'll just have to move the tonneau cover a little bit. So I'm just going to push the tonneau cover a little bit. You want to check this gap right here and try to match side to side. Before we secure these back ones, we're going to fold this up again and tighten up those mounting brackets right here. Make sure it's snug, not too tight though. Same on this side. Now those are tight, unfold it. Now we can secure these in the back. Now the way these go, you can tighten these up. And this is the unlock position when it's flat like this. And then that's how you get it to the lock position. So you might have to adjust it a little bit. Get it right there. And that is the lock position. We'll do the same on the other side. Once those are like that, you can take these locks. This will prevent it from unlocking. You can slide it through there. Then it won't unlatch by accident. And you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.